Hello and welcome back to Here We Tow. Today I'm at Caravan Salon Düsseldorf and I'm here to look at these. I have never seen these before, never heard of them before. It is Notin. Whether that's the correct pronunciation, who knows? But Notin, they are a French manufacturer of what appears to be luxury motorhomes. Formed in 1921, this company. Let's take a look. Now, the reason I wanted to show you these, not that I'm aware that they're available in the UK, is these are totally different. So this model is based on the Fiat. It's called the Avila, and this is the BCL. It's a 7.49 motorhome. It is over 3.5 tons. I think weight starts at around 3,800, goes up to over 4,000. So you are going to need your C1. So 7.5 metre motorhome. Let's just look at the exterior. So we have got silver sides, and then we've got these sort of copper and silver decals. Coming down, you do get a really good sized garage. Now, what I like about this is it is an island bed layout, but we're still getting a huge garage. And I'm going to show you the layout because the reason I've been drawn to this is because this is almost like a UK Caravan. And when we go in, you'll think you're in a Swift, but you'll find out why I say that in a minute. So let's just have a quick look. So facts and figures. This, when I say premium, €165,000. This one's a 4 to 5 berth. That's a lot of money for this motorhome. Let's go and have a look. So there is an electric step. We can see in these amazing sort of colours that we can see in a blue tone. Venturing in. Now, Notin, here we go. So in here, we've got this leather finish. We can see we've got obviously the Fiat digital dash, the Fiat infotainment system. Then we have a folding table. I'll just stand up and open this up for us. So a huge table space. It does seat 5 around the table. Then we've got this beautiful lounge shape, really good size lounge in here. Above me, there is a drop-down bed. This is an integrated or A-class motorhome, so we have got the drop-down bed. And then if you look closely on these sort of cupboards, you can see almost the wood effect. I don't know if the camera will show it up, but it's almost like you can see the wood effect pattern. Let's have a look in a cupboard. Oh, not bad storage in these cupboards as well. It does appear to have blinds and fly screens. Flooring, it has just got a bit of protective cover down, but you can see this light coloured, it is a solid floor, but it's got this colouring here. It has got air-blown heating. And then we move back into the kitchen area. There's a coffee machine, more cupboard space, and then we've got the kitchen. We have the sink, good size, black tap, 2 gas burners. Because it's European, we don't always get ovens, but we have got one here, so that's nice to see. Lots of drawer space, and on the off side, a huge Dometic fridge freezer. I'll just open that up. It is the one that opens both sides as well, although that one's got the lock on it, so that one might not do it. USBs, control for the electric bed, control panel, the Truma, and now this is where I say it's like an English Caravan, because I've never seen this on a motorhome, and I'm quite excited. Stepping in, this is our bathroom, so a massive centre bathroom, huge mirror, beautifully illuminated, fruit bowl sink, good sized tap, storage under here. Then come this way, on the off side of the motorhome, there is a massive, look at this, shower cubicle with these black. If I open that a little bit, I don't know if you can poke your head in there, I don't think it'll open any further. So we've got that beautiful, look at that black shower head, nice shower cubicle with the tinted screen. And then over here, we've just got effect for toilet just sat there. Cabinets though here, there is a privacy screen just here. So when you are on the loo, you can pull that. And then you think, where's the bedroom? And this is where it's like one of those Swift Caravans, because look, you go that way, I'll go this way. Here is a massive island bed. I love an island bed, and there's no compromise on that garage on this one. Massive garage, huge bed, nice headboard there, cabinets, we've got USBs with LED lights, a little sunroof in here, televisions, a spot here so you can have telly in bed, the net curtains and blinds. There's obviously some storage up there. I'm not sure if there's any storage. Oh, there's drawers. Have you got some drawers on your side? You have a look. No? What have you got there, Jules? Drawers. I've got drawers. So yeah, right, let's venture back out. So this one is the Notin, and that was based on the Fiat. We'll just come out this way, and as I say, the model, that's the Avila, so that was quite different. Thank you. Right, let's have a look at what this one is. So this one, that one was A-class or integrated. This one is low profile, you might call it coach built, but low profile. Now this is on a Mercedes. Look at this, we'll get the price in a minute, but beautiful front here. We've got the silver Mercedes cab, the Notin. This has got, I believe it's got 360 cameras. We can see a camera up there. This is obviously part of their exclusive range. This one's 7.35 metres. Let's find out a little bit more about it. So this one has an island bed. 3.5 tons by the look of it. Gentleman just going in, so we'll let him do what he's doing. 2.3 metres wide, and this is 2, 3 or 4 berth. Price, this one at the show, €134,000. Let's have a wander around. So we've got Mercedes alloy wheels. We've got a good sized garage. We can see it is an island bed because this comes down a little bit, but plenty of space in there. This has got the air blown heating. Let's have a look at the rear of one of these. Oh, this is nice. Camera, silver panel, these beautiful LED. Look at these lights. That is a nice light cluster. Mercedes badge, not bad at all. Right, this gentleman's just sat in here, so hopefully he may emerge in a minute. We'll wait and see. No, he's going to sit in there. Come on, we'll go in with him then. That's how it works in Germany. Let's just go in and make a start. So if we head into this one, let's start at the rear. That gentleman's there. So as I say, island bed. So coming back now, this is a little bit different to the one we were just in because it hasn't got the same sort of washroom, but we've got a good size island bed back here. Beautifully illuminated headboard. The cabinets, now these are a different colour. These are much lighter actual wood. You can see the wood colour, unlike the other one which was like painted wood. Little black handles, you push there and then you can open these. So we've got wardrobes at each side. And then let's come around here. I think there's some drawers under here as well, as we can see. And then onto the off side, there is a shower cubicle here. Nice shower. I like the finish on this shower cubicle as well. That's really nice. And a good depth on that shower. That is a good size shower. And then here on the near side, I'll just open this. Nice panelling on the door. I'll let Jules dive in. There he goes. So Thetford toilet, the sink. That could be a little bit challenging with that intrusion on that cabinet if you're wanting to get your head under there. But nice and white and light and bright. For a 7.4 metre motorhome, plenty of space. Now we can move through because the gentleman's gone. We've got our kitchen space here. Nice amount of space with this flap here. Lighting, blinds. Let's just have a look at these, see what we've got. See if I pull that. So fly screens and let's see. Oh, I won't over pull it. I think that is a plastic blind anyway. So blinds. We haven't got an oven as standard in this one like we did the other one. That could be an option, I don't know. Have a look, cutlery tray. And then Dometic tower fridge and freezer. This is obviously where the television unit goes. And then this one on the Mercedes. Now this, let me just slide around. They all seem to have this nice leather on display. We've got our camera there, the 360 camera. The infotainment system. Nice Mercedes cab, really nice sunroof up there, I like that. And then there is this drop-down bed. I mean, this in effect is a single bed, but this is a drop-down bed on this model. And then the lounge, we've got the dinette style here, and again, that big folding table. So yeah, and Jules has operated for me. The blind is a concertina. Let's feel the material. Yeah, it's like a standard concertina that we get at home. Let's just go and have a look at something else. I appreciate we don't have these in the UK market, but these are really interesting. So this is a different one. They all seem to have as well, or what I've seen, long island beds. A lot of the stuff I've reviewed so far at the show has been longitudinal, so it's nice to see some island ones. So this is Bilbao and this is BCL. So let's go and have a look. This is 7.49, 2, 3 or 4 berths. Priced at the show, 125,000. Available at 3.5 tons. So again, you can drive it on your Category B licence. This has got the slightly silver sides again. Massive garage. These are phenomenal. absolutely brilliant sized garages. Having a look at the graphics, the decals. This one's again on the Fiat one. Let's go inside and take a look at this layout. So in this one, this one is like we saw on the A-Class, but this is in a low profile model. So we've got here the good size lounge, all this beautiful leather, which for 125,000 euros, I would like to think so. This one has not got a drop down bed, so it's nice to see the amount of headroom that we're getting in this Notin version. Massive sunroof, as you can see up there. And then as Jules steps back with you, you will see the amount of headroom. I'm obviously stood on a step, but in that area, massive. It's towering over Jules. I reckon there's over 7 feet of headroom in there. Massive Dometic appliances again. And this has got that same bathroom style with this sort of mid washroom. This is brilliant. I've never seen these, and these are great. Right. I'll just see if I can see anything else that's slightly different on the Notin that we've not seen. If not, we've had a little look, haven't we? We've had a nosy round. What we'll do is, there's a smaller one. Now, this is, it looks like Vera. I'm sure it's not pronounced Vera. It'll be Vera, I would imagine, but Vera. This is on the new Fiat Ducato. So you can see the new Fiat front. It's got the grille as displayed here. It's got the Notin name. The front there, we've got again the cameras, so you can see the 360 cameras. This looks like a 2.3 metre wide model, can tell from those wing mirrors there. Let's have a look at some facts and figures. So this is a 3.5 tonne motorhome, 6.49 metres long, 2.3 wide, 3 or 4 berth, can seat 6 people to eat, and this one's spec'd up 113,000 euros. Here, the garage is small and narrow, but again, this motorhome, 6.5 metres long, you are going to have a compromise. So this is Vera. So there we have the garage, and that rear end again, that's a nice rear on that one, on this new Fiat Ducato. Let's go inside and have a look. So again, we've got the camera, you can see a 360 camera there, the awning light, electric step. I'm going in. Right, this is interesting. So this layout is really a non-fixed bed model. So we've got that nice cab at the front, big infotainment system, sunroof as well, good size sunroof, and then it comes to the sort of chocolate leather. I like the chocolate leather. Comes down, so we've got plenty of room for sitting out, space, good size table. There is a drop down bed, so on a night time you can bring that down, and that's where obviously you're going to be sleeping. And coming back into this kitchen space, the same kitchen style is used obviously throughout the whole manufacturer's range. Big Dometic tower fridge and freezer. This is absorption, runs on gas and electric. It's got that air blown heating, as I said before. And then this one just has a rear washroom. So stepping into the rear washroom, there's a Thetford bench seat toilet. Good sized little wash basin there. Bit of intrusion from that cabinet, but that's, there's always a compromise. Good sized mirror at the back to make the motorhome feel larger. And then not a bad sized shower cubicle. And again, it's got this nice finish to it. It's not just white. And a sunroof there. And a little privacy screen. Wow. Right, let's dive out. So, yeah, never seen these before. It obviously looks like they are based on Mercedes and Fiat, so you've got the choice there. They've got low profile and integrated motorhomes. Bit of a choice of layouts and different sizes. So there we go. That is a French manufacturer, Notin. Not one I've seen before, and probably not available in the UK ever. Hopefully you enjoyed having a look. I genuinely have. That different layout on the bathroom, that's what drew me in, if I'm honest. I said to Jules, look at this, and off I went. So there we go. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.